Our mission is simple: to create innovative spaces across New York City where we get education right for the children we serve, no matter their zip code. I started my journey in New York City public schools about 25 years ago as a classroom teacher. I actually began my teaching career in a classroom with no desks, no chairs, no books, and no resources. So I've seen firsthand the deep inequities that exist in our system, but I've also seen firsthand the power of what's possible when we get it right. Whether as a teacher, a principal, a district leader, or a central office leader, I've seen it and lived it. And I know what it means to build something transformational for our kids. And that's the exciting work that we do today. And here's what's different about how we do it now. We don't design schools in isolation. We listen, we learn, and we respond to community need. Every new school we open is rooted in the voices, aspirations, and lived experiences of the community. These new schools we are opening are not just schools. They are answers to community calls. They are solutions born from need, from love, and from vision. Because we've learned that the best schools are built with people, not for them. And this is hard work, and it's also heart work. But when we do it together, it's powerful. And today we get to celebrate that collective impact of what it looks like.